Seller's tip number 3. This is for all you sellers out there who have been on the market for a really long time and haven't sold. And now you've just found out that your listing agreement, your contract with your real estate brokerage has expired. We call it in our industry expired listings. And you're going to get a flood of real estate agents contacting you to see if they can be your next realtor. Should you consider changing realtors? I would say you should at least consider changing realtors because for some reason you didn't sell for a year. Now here are some of the most common reasons for not selling. One is price. Even if you feel that your agent listened to you and went with the price that you told them that you have to sell it at, your agent's responsibility and the brokerage's responsibility is to make sure you're up to date on what's selling, what the market's doing, so they can at least recommend to you a price where they think it will sell within your goals. Another reason why things don't sell, why properties don't sell, is because showings aren't available. So either you or your realtor are stopping people from coming in to see the property. Ideally, you want people to be able to come at a moment's notice, see the property the way it should be shown, so that way they will be willing to purchase your property. Third reason properties don't sell is because they don't present themselves well. You and your agent should work together to make sure you have great photos and make sure when someone comes in the house it appeals to their senses, whether they see something that they like. The smell is either attractive or neutral. It's clean and decluttered. So presenting the property makes a difference. These are the type of things that you need to make sure that when you hire a realtor, your next realtor, or even the same realtor, that you demand that they do these things in addition to their marketing to get the home sold. So if you are an expired listing and you haven't been able to sell in 6 months or a year, maybe it's time to interview that new agent. Now I have to keep a disclaimer here. If you are currently an active listing but been on the market a really long time, please disregard this video message as a solicitation because we don't solicit as members in the National Association of Realtors and professional real estate licensees. We don't solicit other people's listings. We only are willing to interview for the job once the listing has expired. So thank you for tuning in for this tip.